is December 22nd. We are going for take 2 of this. We've still got that. Okay, well, this is just a rotation check. So right now what we're going to do, and I'm going to switch my camera around, and that's not going to help all that much. No. On the bottom of the screen, to your right is the view of the equipment. So what I'm going to do is turn the power on here. We'll go over on this side and see what the voltage is. We're at 122 volts. And we're showing a very small amount of current, so that's millivolts on the top there, and voltage on the bottom. And I'll move this over a little bit, see it a little bit better. So we're up to 122 volts on the main pack coming into the controller. So we're going to turn on the controller. Where am I find the right button? I'm not sure where this goes, but I should be sure. Okay, so that click you heard was the controller finishing its pre-charge. I have an AC controller firmware, version 1.0. I am going to capture a text file to, we'll call it AC rotation. That's really what I'm doing, is making sure that the controller turns the motor the correct way. And I'm just going to hit 2 a few times here. I hear some stuff. I should hear more. And more. Okay, that gives me the impression that the encoder is not working, because I should have rotation by now. Okay, so there we have rotation. Oh, I think the screen can see that. Yeah, not very well. It is turning clockwise, which is good. I've got to find my clamp meter. There it is. 1.5 millivolts. That seems very low, and the DC voltage also seems very low at 0.9. So I suspect some probes have fallen off. And I just had something beep at me. Let's just do a quick check on the amps. DC amps, I got about 2.9. My DC millivolts is changing too quickly. I guess there must look like AC to it. I'm going to change to AC amps. Check on this, and I'm showing about 50 amps. Which is about right for rotation. I'm going to hit an A, and it shows that we're at about 18 RPM. That seems a little low. Try A again. It says 18 RPM solid. Oh, I didn't change the encoder ticks. That's what I didn't go. Encoder ticks. 64. Okay, there was an abrupt change on what the motor was doing. Config shows me all the values. I'm going to go 2 a couple more times. Get it back rotating. I'm going to do an A again. 236 RPM, 303, 350, so that's reasonable. Now that we're in the reasonable range, I'm going to try the DC amps is about 4. My milliamp meter is not showing very good. And my voltmeter is just wonky.